Hey everybody, welcome back to Drinks and Drip. This is Dad here. Got another shoe unboxing for you. I'm really excited about this one. Now, as you know, we do a lot of unboxings on the show. It seems to be what people like. I mean, they've got whole YouTube channels where they just unbox things. So we're doing clothing and sneakers, and sometimes we're going to tell you about some new drinks. But today, we got a blast from the past. You may have seen Thomas's first issue of Classic Kicks, and in there he does a discussion about the classic Reebok Club C, and man, I like those shoes so much. I also got me a pair, so you can look here. That's the ones that he bought. Really nice looking. Got the yellow, kind of a simple white, very good looking shoe. And then over here are the ones I got. They're kind of a gray, really nice with the orange secondary colors. Love that shoe. But I saw on the Reebok website, and I got a really good deal because they had like 40% off if you buy $100 worth. So originally the shoe was like 90 bucks, but because I bought just over 100, it made it almost half as much. So I encourage you, what I found out is buying some of these sneakers is you can find a really good deal, and you should never pay full price. You should at least get 20 to 30% off, sometimes even 40 or 50. So pay attention.
Nice.
And you can save a ton of money. So what they have released is this new Club C 85 vintage. Now when you see this shoe, when I saw it on the website, it's a classic original Reebok Club C. I mean, I'm 41 years old and I can recognize this shoe. Now I'm not one for nostalgia, like I don't have any like fond personal memories, but it's iconic. I love the look because it reminds me of what a tennis shoe like kind of looks like. So when I bought this pair, 35th anniversary, I had to do it, and for a couple reasons. Now they've got two colorways. They got the green and the navy. We're going to show you some pictures of them after, but I want to have you see it for the first time in the unboxing because I got the navy. And if it looks as good as I think it's going to look from the website, I think we're going to be happy. Again, I think I paid like $48. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell Reebok because I got a steal. So let's open these bad boys up. Very classic Reebok looking box. Classic 80s colors with the navy and the red. So already pretty happy about this. Open it up. Wow, what a gorgeous shoe. Now, first impressions is one of the things I love about this, and I guess I didn't realize, I thought maybe it was going to be a true white, but the shoe and the sole is like a off-white, like cream color, and I'm telling you, maybe you can, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but that navy with the cream color and just that little accent of navy right there, man, it looks so clean. And then what's even, I mean, there's so many cool things. So one, the colorway is great. You got the cream with the navy. We'll flash a picture of the green. Also cool. I just thought this one was a little more interesting looking, but I don't think you can go wrong either way. So what's kind of cool is the 35th anniversary. If you look at the tongues and the heel right here, you see 1985. I don't know if I have that backwards because I'm not used to looking at the camera, but it's really cool. So we got the 1985 on the back. Great colorway. Now I'm going to step up a little closer because you can hear that jingle. And look right here. Got this cool 35th anniversary medallion hang tag. So, isn't that pretty cool? I love that. Now, probably one of my favorite parts is this sheen satiny tongue, which has the anniversary years on it. The color chalk, duh, makes sense. College navy, And it's right there on the tongue instead of having the classic Reebok logo, which I thought was kind of neat. It's kind of like what you would expect on the inside of the tongue. And then right here, you can't see too well, but it's got the little 35th anniversary little tag on the inside. The soles are nice and fresh, really cool. Again, we'll put some stock photos up there, but really great looking shoe. Again, the lining on the inside of these shoes. Now I will say the Club C's, they're not spending bunches of money making the shoes. It's a pretty basic shoe, but the lining here is very nice and soft. The hang tag, the classic look. Go check out Thomas's episode, The Cool Tongue. I give this purchase an A++. So I'm gonna give myself a little pat on the back. The Club C 85 vintage, 30-year anniversary, 35-year anniversary. Didn't pass math too well, but hey, that's okay. You're gonna love this shoe. It's vintage, it's a classic look. Both shoes are primarily, the white or chalk white, so you can wear it with anything during the summer. That's what I've been told. We're doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. I think I'm gonna be able to pair some of that together. So look forward to some cool photos. I definitely would get these shoes, especially if you can get a deal. So try out the Club C 85 vintage. Until next time, for Drinks and Drip, this is Dad. Have a great day. Peace.